Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Star Voyager is probably one of the most exciting and imaginative toys to hit the market in years, sparking creativity and adventure in children of all ages. This isn't just any toy, it's a gateway to the cosmos, designed to fuel young minds with dreams of interstellar exploration and daring missions. Imagine your child's face lighting up as they pilot their own vessel through the galaxy, encountering alien worlds and charting unknown territories. The Star Voyager promises hours of engaging, screen-free fun, encouraging storytelling and imaginative play that goes beyond the ordinary. Number 5. JOYIN Rocket Ship Play Tent for Kids. Get ready for an out-of-this-world adventure with our amazing rocket ship play tent. It's the perfect spaceship for your little astronauts to explore new galaxies. This comprehensive set includes the tent, a handy carrying tote, roof and floor anchors, and sturdy poles. It's portable and lightweight, making it ideal for indoor or outdoor play. Setting up is a breeze with our easy-to-follow instructions and foldable poles. You can assemble it quickly and store it conveniently when playtime is over. Spark your child's imagination and encourage learning through pretend play. This playhouse is a fantastic way to engage them and reduce screen time. Crafted from high-quality, water-resistant polyester fabric, it's built to last. Cleaning is simple with a damp cloth, mild soap, and water. We are committed to providing a great shopping experience. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we'll be happy to assist you. What we like. This offers a comprehensive set for easy setup and portability. If you are looking for a fun, engaging play space that can be used anywhere, this is a great choice. It's perfect for sparking imagination indoors or bringing the adventure outside. What people say. The Spaceship toy has a detailed design with realistic features. It includes multiple interactive buttons that activate lights and sounds. The toy is made of durable plastic, ensuring long-lasting play. Number 4. Daron NASA Space Shuttle Adventure Series. Embark on an exciting space adventure with this incredible space shuttle. It's designed for interactive and immersive play, bringing the wonders of space right to your fingertips. Experience the thrill of space exploration with realistic lights and sounds. This feature enhances the play, making every mission feel authentic and engaging. With rolling wheels, it's easy to maneuver your spacecraft for any mission. The payload bay doors and canopy open and close, adding to the realistic play. Place your astronaut figure in the pilot's seat or on the operational mechanical arm. This allows for imaginative storytelling and endless hours of fun. Crafted from durable plastic, this toy is built to last through countless adventures. It's the perfect size for little hands, measuring approximately 9.5 by 7.5 inches. It comes with batteries included, so the fun can start right away. Recommended for children ages 3 and up, it's ready for aspiring astronauts everywhere. What we like. It features realistic lights and sounds for an immersive experience. If you want a detailed, interactive model that brings space missions to life with sound effects and moving parts, this is the one for you. It's ideal for kids who love hands-on play and imaginative space adventures. What people say. The Spaceship has a detailed cockpit with opening doors. It features realistic engine sounds and flashing lights that activate when buttons are pressed. The toy is made of durable plastic and has smooth, rounded edges, making it safe for children. Number 3. Space Exploration Shuttle 12-in-1 STEM Building Kit. Embark on an incredible journey with this 12-in-1 Space Exploration Building Kit. It's designed to spark curiosity and ignite a passion for discovery. With 566 pieces, you can construct a variety of space vehicles, including shuttles, rockets, and satellites. Enjoy quality time building together. This set makes learning fun. It helps children understand space vehicles, enhances their practical skills, and boosts creativity. Building is a breeze with the clear, step-by-step manual included. You'll have your creations assembled in no time. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials with smooth edges, these durable blocks ensure safe and long-lasting play. Ideal for birthdays and holidays, this kit offers endless adventure for aspiring astronauts aged 6 and up. Let their imagination soar. What we like. This is a 12-in-1 STEM building kit that encourages learning through play. If you're looking for an educational toy that enhances problem-solving skills and provides hours of building fun, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for curious minds aged 6 and up who enjoy constructing and discovering. What people say. The Spaceship toy is designed with intricate details, showcasing a realistic cockpit and engine components. It features multiple interactive buttons that activate lights and sound effects, enhancing imaginative play. The durable construction ensures it can withstand rough handling by children during play. Number 2. Mattel Disney Pixar Lightyear XL 15 Spaceship with Buzz figure. Get ready to relive the excitement of space exploration and adventure. This authentic spaceship is inspired by a spacecraft from the movie Lightyear. The included 5-inch Buzz figure fits perfectly into the cockpit, complete with his jetpack. This jetpack can also be used with other 5-inch pilot figures for expanded play. Activate a thrilling hero moment from the movie with a lever underneath the spacecraft. You can also launch projectiles from the wings with a button on top. Collectors will love to gather all the other 5-inch scale figures and vehicles. They are perfect for dramatic play and display. This makes a great movie-themed gift for any young fan of space and Lightyear. It's ideal for ages 4 and up. What we like. This toy is inspired by the movie and includes action features like projectile launchers. If you're a fan of the movie and want a spaceship with exciting play capabilities and a character figure, this is a must-have. It's perfect for recreating favorite scenes and embarking on new space missions. What people say. The Spaceship toy has a detailed design with realistic features. It includes multiple interactive buttons that activate lights and sounds. The toy is made of durable plastic, ensuring long-lasting play. Number 1. Boulou Glow-in-the-Dark Galaxy Space Blanket. Introducing the Boulou Glow-in-the-Dark Galaxy Space Blanket, a magical addition to any child's room. It brings the wonder of the universe right into their bedtime. Crafted from premium, skin-friendly polyester fleece, this blanket offers unparalleled softness and coziness. Its breathable fabric ensures comfort all year round. Adorned with a captivating universe pattern, it glows in the dark, transforming bedtime into an enchanting adventure. It's the perfect gift for young explorers. An ideal gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion for kids aged 3 to 10. It's a versatile present that sparks imagination and joy. Measuring 60 by 50 inches, it's generously sized for kids and adults alike. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for snuggling on the sofa or taking on adventures. Whether at home, in the car, or on a camping trip, this blanket is your perfect companion. Use it while reading, watching TV, or simply relaxing. Maintaining its softness and glow is easy. Simply machine wash and tumble dry on low for a blanket that stays vibrant and shed-free. What we like. This blanket offers a magical glow-in-the-dark feature with a super soft fleece material. If you're looking for a cozy and enchanting addition to bedtime or a unique gift that sparks wonder, this is ideal. It's perfect for kids who love space themes and want a comforting blanket for any occasion. What people say. The Spaceship toy has a detailed design with realistic features. It includes multiple interactive buttons that trigger lights and sounds. The toy is made of durable plastic, ensuring long-lasting play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.